Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna do something different today. I have been a big fan of a certain seasoning, if you will, and it's called. Here, let me get it out of the cabinet here. So, easiest way to do this is, if you notice, I am a fan of this. I have 2 containers, and it's called Bad Byron's Butt Rub. Okay? I know, it's hilarious. This shit is amazing. Not a lot of sugar in it. The calorie count, actually, there's no sugar. Pardon me. Let me correct myself here. No sugar. It's full of seasonings. 0 calories added to your seasoning, which is fantastic. This is not paid for, by the way. I'm just a fan and I wanted to unbox something. So, went to Publix about, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, I think? Yeah, 2 weeks ago. And they had this version, but in a barbecue sauce. And I love barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. Jensen, what are you licking? I gotta give him a cookie. So if you didn't know, Jensen is a terrorist. He comes into the kitchen every time that I'm up, and he expects himself a little treat, if you will. Anyways, so I went to the website, and I wanted to get barbecue sauce, so I did. And they put in a little extra surprise in there for me. Again, I paid for all this, so I'm super excited for it. If you're looking for something to put on pulled pork, whatever, this barbecue sauce is the best, seriously. Let's unpack this booger. I don't know what that is. Let's see what that is. I'm gonna scoot this over a little bit. Scissors. I love bubble wrap. Do you love bubble wrap? Do the bubble wrap with the mumble wrap. All right. What do we got? Oops. Pop, 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 pop. Ooh. Hell yeah. So I got some glasses. Looks like yours. It says Bad Byron's right along here, and then butt rub, and the little Peggy. I like the Peggy. So I got that. Here's another one. They did a really good job at wrapping this stuff. If you're wondering why I keep looking down, it's because my phone is showing the screen, because I can't see it all the way over there. Also, I got a new camera and microphone set up. In fact, I think this is probably too close to my neck, too close to my mouth. Here, let's try this. Is that better? Is that a little bit better? Yeah, I can see like the little thing on there. Pop. Oops. Jensen doesn't like that. There we go. Another one. So, it says on the back of it, a little bit rub makes everything better. And I'm not going to lie, it does. So, I put the butt rub, which, this stuff, on all of my meat. Steaks, burgers, pork, everything. My burgers taste like restaurant burgers with it. And I mean, it doesn't hurt that I actually grind my own burger. Alright. This. Aw, they sent me some stuff. Thank you, Danny. That was really sweet of you to send this to me. I love that. I love getting this stuff. And I now have a little notepad. Oh, they put stickers in it. I got a sticker. That's awesome. Super excited about that. What else we got in here? Oh, hell. Recipes. That's awesome. And reorder form also. Follow a journey from obscurity to major distribution, fueled by a passion for barbecue and a belief in the American dream. So if you guys want to see what their story is about, I'll hold that for a second. Screen capture it, go and check them out. Tell them that you saw this on my channel, if you would please. So, here, let's see. Actual invoice here. Because I can't remember how much I paid for it. It was under $50 for everything. So that, I'm making this part last because there's one more thing in here. So as I guess like the first time buyer or whatever, I got to get something as a gift. I think that's pretty damn cool. Here, I'm gonna put it on real quick. I got it in a 3X and it feels like it's going to be extra big. Actually, this damn thing fits perfect. Holy hell. Look at that. Ooh, made my nipples a little hard. Ooh. Okay. So let's open up. I think that's everything. Is that everything from here? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, that's everything from in there. Cool. Got that in there. Let me move this out of the way. Alright. So, the rub. This one's almost dead. I've got like this much right along the line. So, I'm going to be grinding hamburger here shortly. And I'll open this. So here's where I got the sauce. Sorry about that. Microphone fell over. There we go. Look at that, it's beautiful. So something about the sauce, let me tell you. There's 45 calories for 2 tablespoons. I have to look at it like this because I'm getting old and I can't see shit. So, here, I'll come around for you guys. So, that's the ingredients list. See? Awesome. I'm super excited because I actually have some pulled pork in the refrigerator that I want to eat tonight. So I ordered the 6-pack. I can't remember how much it was. It came to like, I think it was $6 a bottle. But when you try it, you're going to understand why. So I highly suggest go order some stuff from them. It's summertime coming up here in Florida. It's already summer because it was 94 today. Wonderful. Wonderful weather. Alright, so this is what we got. Not these two. These two I already bought. I bought this at Costco. If you have a Costco membership, I think you can order it online. Check that out. If not, order directly from them. The price is pretty much the same. At Costco, this was $10 for this whole thing. And I think that online on their store, it's the same price. But I got all of this. 6 bottles of sauce, which will last me a little bit. The 2 glasses came to, I think it was 48 and change. Yeah, something like that. 48 and change. And the shirt was free. Will I buy this again? Absolutely will. The sauce reminds me, here, I'm going to tell you. Do you like Arby's, the Arby's sauce? I do. This is a spicier version of that. Low amount of calories, full of seasoning and flavor. Get this shit, okay? You will not be disappointed. I wish that they sold it locally more. I found it because Publix had a discount. I think it was like $4. And I got it, and I went back, and they were all gone. So that sucks. So, this is my very first video on my new camera system. I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The extended version, not the extended, but the creator version with the microphone, extended battery, all that good stuff. Hopefully you guys like this video. Do me a favor, give me a like if you see it, follow me, share my stuff. Really, I'm at the point where this is what I have to do, okay? I'm going to try to do some grinding and stuff with the meat. Maybe I'll include that in the video. So I'll talk to you guys later.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind.